So what we doing today?
Reshooting the whole video for my homie Darrell. Remember the name video. One of his songs, personal songs he wrote for his cousin, I guess, because it seemed kind of personal. Didn't like the footage the last time, so now I gotta do this.
Right, yeah, this is the second time we're shooting this video.
Yeah, so I just want to reshoot the whole video because everything went wrong the first time. I think I'm pretty much prepared now, except for this damn rain.
Right, it do look gloomy as fuck outside.
Tear down out here. Shit.
Let me see if I can get that. Yeah, I don't know if you can see. I don't know if they can see. You're gonna be able to see the gloominess.
Probably gonna be a little, yeah.
Yeah, but it's gloomy as fuck outside.
Motherfucker.
And what it's like, it's finna be 3 o'clock, and it look like it's finna be fucking 6.
At least it ain't as bad as it was yesterday. Yesterday it was just tearing down all day. So I think we got like at least a 1 hour.
Yeah, it was. It stopped and then it started.
Yeah, it rained like.
Nigga, we gotta fuck. I had to call. I still gotta call Sean then because I was like, I'm gonna ask him, did they see that tornado?
Right.
Because it was near them.
I think we got like it was like 10-minute increments yesterday. I think today we got like hour, 2 hour window before it really like started to rain. That's why we heading up here a little early. Well, it's almost on time, so it ain't really that early. Definitely like the water. So I tried to do this yesterday, but shit, my mama had me go get her damn cigarettes and shit. I really don't. Ooh, see that building right there?
Yeah.
We could probably do something over there. Just set up, well, not set up. You think I should put the plastic on the cameras now? Yep, look at that. It's fucking right.
Yeah, yep. You got to now. I don't know.
Baby, look, I told your ass to bring a sweater.
Yeah, because I definitely wasn't finna. I was finna be like, shit, fuck it. Because it feel good out here. People be talking about it's cool and shit. Like, nah, it feel good out here.
It do.
This is my type. If it could be like this all year round in Chicago,
right.
I'd be happy.
All summer shit.
Right. The rain's starting to pick up. That's the camera.
Yeah, it's the type of shit I gotta go for.
I don't think we're gonna be filming today. Say it don't look like we're gonna be filming today. It's picking up.
Alright.
Me, you know, I don't mind being in no rain, but
I don't mind either. I'm good with you.
do he man?
What up?
Yeah, where you at, bro?
Yeah, so you know what Mark Yeah, I know. Ain't rain in your lyrics?
Yeah.
Alright then, you got a jacket? Alright, let's do this then. Come on around, you know where the track at? Is that a track? Is this a track?
I believe so.
No, this ain't no track. There used to be a track right here. Oh yeah, this is a track. Come around where the track at. I'm parked right in front of the track. So basically turn right there on California. If you coming down California, turn, and then that first entrance, come in, and then make that right. All right. Oh, my gimbal gonna be.
You know what? I always hated parks like this because some of these trees be smelling like ass. Seriously. It's gonna start raining way too fucking hard to give any real filming done. Look at that. Man, I do not want to step no further back because I feel like I'm gonna step into some human shit or something. Mm-hmm. This foul as hell over here. It smells nothing like this. We are headed back to the car because that didn't work out. Well, the gimbal didn't work out, but you know.
Want to go?
You like how it glisten or some shit?
It's like how rain ain't a problem. It's just fucking electronic shit.
Yeah, bro. So the rain finally slowed down, so the little spot we was in. Uh-oh, don't brush your shit. Put it my way.
What's going on, man? That, man?
What you know about that?
What up, man? What's up, son? What up, Heavy D? What up, baby? Yeah? Hell no. Where you been? You ain't nowhere to be found, man. The nigga ain't repeat up the song. Alright. See how family members do you? That's cool, man. That's what you want to be in the video. He wanted to be in the video.
Damn, my fucking lens fogging up and shit. God damn.
Hey, this nigga tell me on the phone, he say, I say, man, it's getting ready to rain. He said, you got rain in your song, right? Like,
right.
I mean, technically, I want to be in the motherfucking rain, but cool, I see your vision. You know what I'm saying? I mean, it only makes sense.
Right.
We do.
Right, so he ain't using the gimbal. We going handheld again. Cause it was fully charged, right?
I don't feel like.
You don't feel like putting that shit together?
No, it's together. I don't feel like balancing it now.
Ah.
Like, man, you did it without me, G.
Like, I want to fuck you.
I want you to do our other song, though.
What other song?
We got a song for our cousin.
The one that died? I thought this was for him.
I mean, this for her too. It's just something both of us, man.
Percent of the witnesses win independent. 1 minute you winning it, then they get rid of you. Industry limited, give me the business and all of the benefits in it. All of us winning identically similar. Thought it was miniature, it'll get bigger the more that you get it. I pity the nigga that figure he really get ill enough to spit with the sickest and niggas the clinic admitted us.
Type of tick you ain't quick with assistance. Don't pressure spin this up, but aiding my A-list. Cause ain't no clicking the infinite button. You can search forever endless. And in and of another keyword optimism. Top to mash your engine to running. So this hit goes out to those of you with the drive. And my heart goes out to those who've yet to arrive.
Man, third time's a charm, man. Say the best for last.
It's sunny this time,
We
shit.
ain't gotta worry about no rain, none of that, no tornado.
It rained earlier.
Yeah, it got that out the way. It rained, then it got fucking hot.
It look dope over there.
Alright, come on.
You got the speaker?
Speaker knocker.
They remember my name, they gon' remember my name, yeah, fuck that, they gon' remember my name, man. Walking through this rain with this pain on my brain, I wonder if I die, would they remember my name, they gon' remember my name, yeah, fuck that, they gon' remember my name, man. Walking through this rain with this pain on my brain. Since I got shot, I know I ain't been the same. I try to stay sane, smoking Mary Jane. No matter how high I get, them losses still remain. Surviving through the toughest times. That's
So we come out here to shoot this nigga video,
Yeah.
and it's hot as fuck. Wait, we went from rainy day to 2 rainy days to fucking sweating now.
Hell, tornado.
That's what you do though.
We gonna make it work, though.
Shot. Testing up. Black Magic Pocket Cinema Camera 4K. Say you crack 30.
What's this called again? What? They be having all these crazy ass names for these things. We shooting at Marquette Park. I ain't been up here. Oh, this is beautiful. It smells beautiful out here, nigga.
Shit, good oxygen. Some shit over here, though.
Oh yeah,
man.
See, I stay with
This is what directors do. They get you to do crazy shit.
Hold that real quick.
I can go out there.
You want to check yourself? That's straight.
You good?
It's 30.
All right.
surviving through the toughest times, that's what made me. I know the news, keep my mama praying daily. Fuck Twitter, they whooped my ass like I was Rodney. This the fucking things I get paying they salary. Losing J-Ball hurt me to the core. Losing my nigga Kevin hurt me even more. I lost my nigga Bathroom at the corner store. Now clutch like Roy to even up the scope. My city full of...
What's the next shot, Derrick?
The bridge. The bridge. The bridge.
Oh, he needs some water. Need some Wawa.
Hell yeah. Yeah, we're going by the bridge.
Are you missing the cold weather from last time we tried to shoot, or no? Huh?
Hell yeah. I swear. No, I ain't.
Yeah, you got that fucking hot ass jacket on.
Yeah, but you know the jacket make it look good. You know what I'm saying? Gotta have a jacket on. My cousin was good Bulls fan, so you know, have to pull this out the closet. You go ahead, keep walking.
You ready to talk about a little bit of what we got planning for the series?
Talking about the product?
Yeah, just a little bit, not too much.
Hold on. Just power everything down real quick while he does that. So, stop me if I go too much.
I will.
But
Like, hold on, you giving up too much, nigga?
you want me to just give us the overall plot of it, or
What? I figure. I know we planned on kicking off a Kickstarter.
right?
Who? Kickstarter. Or,
Indiegogo.
you know, I feel like all of them the same. I know, but it's a habit of calling all of them Kickstarters.
Right.
So, but Indiegogo, because that's what we talked about, right?
Crowdfunding page. You could just say that if you want to make them all sound the same. Yeah. We just want to put them on the crowdfunding page. It's gonna be a series for Chicago. You know, a lot of series coming out talk about Chicago, but I feel like they're not really bringing out the personality of Chicago. If that makes any sense. I mean, it's gonna be a comedy drama. You know, it's gonna show some shit going on in Chicago, some of the obvious and some of the subliminal shit. Without giving away too much, I think that's all I can tell. I'm almost done. We only making it 5 episodes for the first season, just to see how everything go. And if it goes very well, we gonna make as many seasons as we can and get it going.
Right. I mean, people can already start helping us create this series back going to our Patreon anyway.
Right, y'all can go to our
This
Patreon.
is one of the best directors in Chicago right now. Y'all get into him, man.
You heard my mans, you know, not because we grew up together, but yeah.
Yeah, they can start back going to the Patreon.
You can start by going to the Patreon, or just give us your word that shit when we start the page. You gonna donate, and we ain't asking for a lot, you know. We haven't went over the tiers or how much we looking for each tier, but there will be perks as you as a backer. So just let y'all know on that. We already got a couple people lined up, professional people to actually help us to make this even bigger. I got a lot of people hitting me up. They like the idea. You know, they all independent creators, but you know, shit, we just trying to make something happen in Chicago, man. It's a dead industry here almost. But I talk to professionals, man. They say it's a lot of industry with shit. You know, maybe it's just hard for us because we indie. We lower tier.
We not connected to none of the
Well, we are. I'm connected to.
Because you intern through.
Center Space, Stage 18.
And that's the industry
That's
right
pretty
there.
much the industry. Yeah. It's just people coming from LA and all like that shit.
Right.
But yeah, I'm connected through that. But it's hard. Like I had a dude actually ask me about.
Do you think we should number the like you know how the people doing 001 vlog or vlog 001, even though we have vlog in the past, but because we getting ready to podcast, we got ready to podcast, and we gonna do behind the scenes of the product, but we also had a vlog where we just filming behind the scenes of TPM in general.
We come up with a name of it. You call it Part 1.
Yeah, I guess that's one thing I need to do. Figure out the name for the behind the scenes, because the vlog, it ain't nothing wrong with the word vlog, but it's just everybody use it already.
Right.
So
That's what's popping right now.
Because I want to vlog.
Yeah,
Getting to the point where we start getting into production and
Yeah.
making the product. I want to call that the journey or some shit. You know what I mean?
call it something besides vlog and call it something besides behind the scenes.
Journey to the product. That's what I'm
Yeah, cause then we got writers that gonna help out with it.
Show people we can do this shit ourselves. Damn, I wish I could get that motherfucker.
Right. Shit. So expect more vloggery. Expect more of that shit. So
I'm gonna pop up on one of y'all vlogs too.
you gonna pop up on the first one, motherfucker. This is going up.
Oh, this the first one?
Yeah.
Okay, then.
I don't know how much footage I got, know how much room I got left on my phone.
Remember your name or remember my name? Remember my name? There was a video behind the scenes. My bad. Got the name wrong.
We gonna edit that out.
Yeah, remember my name behind the scenes. Third time's the charm. You can call it that.
Yeah.
Remember my name behind the scenes.
Call that
third
shit
time's the charm.
TPM BTS, third time's the charm. Episode 1, goddammit.
Third time's the fucking charm. Just taking a little break. My fault. Should have bought some refreshments out and shit. We go get that.
We always come out here prepared. No water, no drink, man. Nothing.
Well,
Mouth
the first
dry to
time-
the motherfucker.
Man,
The first time,
cotton ball.
Darren riding woods. You just smoked the square, so I bet your mouth tastes.
Oh, yeah. You ain't gotta be putting my business out.
We done shooting the video. Now we eating. Well, he ain't eating.
Because I ate tacos, tortas, all kind of shit before I got with
Yeah,
you.
nigga, I'm trying. I wanted to go to the taco place. They too damn high. We had to settle for some subway.
Which I'm cool with.
Yeah, I'm cool with it too. Shit, but we done with the video. Look for the video to drop whenever Derrick get done editing it. Which just shouldn't take that long, right? Oh,
No.
we,
Then we did the Dan Ryan Forest Preserve.
yeah, it seemed like it was shot pretty smooth.
Yeah, it wasn't a lot of scenery up there at the Dan Ryan. Just open area. It was, I mean, up the path, down the path. It was more in a shorter location than it was. It was more in a shorter location at Marquette than it was at Dan Ryan. And they was mad as hell at me for making them walk up that big ass hill.
Yeah, nigga. Then we got to see that. We got to see that big booty chick.
Y'all got to see more than me. But I was shooting.
Them chicks was fat. And she was running up the hill with him.
And I hated that day, man. Everything went wrong. I ain't had nothing going right. Lost memory card. Gimbal was tweaking.
Which you end up finding.
Yeah, and I ended up fixing my gimbal.